नाज़रीन व्यूअर्स अस्सलाम वालेकुम। As you are well known of it that Shanghai Cooperation Conference is being held at Islamabad in Pakistan. This is the 23rd session of the conference, and we feel pride that our beloved Pakistan is getting the opportunity of it. I earnestly request all the members of the conference that our proclamation, which will be announced today, perhaps should consist our support and synthetic assistance towards the people of Gaza, Palestine, Lebanon, and Indian occupied Jammu and Kashmir, that let the people of those territories enjoy well-informed, well-given freedom as per the various resolutions passed by United Nations and its General Assembly. We should proclaim that no power of the world should occupy any territory which is independent, and no outsider should occupy those territories. Also, not even of Muslims, but any nation of the world. The desecration of Al-Aqsa Mosque, Judaization of Arab lands should be denounced as foreboding a disaster. Indian Foreign Minister Jay Shankar is also attending the conference, and we hope that he should be well known of the rights and complications of the people of Jammu and Kashmir, where Indian government under Narendra Modi has imposed Article 370, which has occupied all the freedom of the Jammu and Kashmir. I earnestly request that our proclamation in this regard, i.e. Shanghai Cooperation Conference, should consist our support and impressive announcement that we, all the people of Pakistan, are with them. At last, at the end of this my short lecture, I will thankful to all the member countries which has taken part in this Shanghai Cooperation Conference, and we hope that the territories are under occupation of other countries, supported by United Nations, supported by the US, NATO, and under this issue, we are fully with the people of Gaza, Palestine, and Kashmir. Thank you very much.